Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial, guys. In this tutorial we will be designing this drill bit in SolidWorks. So let's begin. First, click on part and click OK. This window will get open. From here, make sure that you are working in millimeters, and from here change the background to plain white. This is, by the way, an optional step. Now this is front plane. Click on it and here select the very first option, that is sketch. Now select here circle and make a circle at this origin like this. Now we need to define the diameter for this circle. So select Smart Dimensioning tool and here define the diameter as 6 mm. And after that go to features and select your extruded boss base, and here we need to define the length, which is 80 mm, the length of extrusion basically, and check this box from here. Now before moving any further, let me define the material or appearance for better visualization. So this is an optional step. You can define any appearance you like. Now select this front face and click on sketch and select this convert entities to make this circle. And then go to features and here we have the option for curves. Select here helix and spiral, and here we have multiple options. There are many types for this helix and spiral. We need to select here height and pitch. So here is option for height and pitch. There are many parameters, so select here constant pitch. We need to define the height as 60 mm, as you can see it from here. This is 60 mm. This is basically the height for this helix, and we need to define the pitch, which is 20 mm, as you can see it from here. And this is option for reverse direction. We need the other direction. Check the direction box. This is option for the starting angle. If we change it 90 degree or 0 degree, it will start it from here, but I want this to be started at 180 degree from here. So clockwise is fine, and after that check this box from here. So this helix and spiral, this shape is created. Now select this front face and click on sketch again, and again select the face and convert entities. After that select here a center line, which will be acting as a reference line, and make a straight vertical center line like this. And after that select a circle from here and create a circle here in this space. Now hold Control key from your keyboard, select the center point of these two circles and make relation horizontal. Now these are aligned horizontally. Select Smart Dimensioning tool and specify the diameter as 2 mm, and then select a line, and from this point to this yellow dot of the smaller circle make a line like this. Now from this point to this point, here specify 0.1 mm as offset distance, and from the center points of these circles we need to define the distance as 2.5 mm. Okay, now select trim and entities, and here select power trim and trim this outer boundary very carefully. You need to trim this arc and this internal arc as well. And as you can see, this sketch has turned into gray one, which means that it is ready to be extruded or revolved. Now exit the sketch from here and select here swept cut. We need to define profile and path from here. So this is the profile and the helix and spiral is basically the path. This is not going to be selected here, so we have to drop down this menu from here, and here is the option for helix and spiral that we have created just moments ago, and this swept cut will get created. Check this box and we have created the first flute of drill bit. We need 2 flutes, as drill bit have 2 flutes. For that we need to select here circular pattern. In this first window, direction 1, we need to select this edge, not the face, just the edge. And here we need 2 flutes, so I am specifying here 2, and in features and faces I am selecting this cut, and check this box from here. Now 2 flutes for this drill bit has been created. After that we need to select this back face of the drill bit and click on sketch, and we need to create a center rectangle. So select your center rectangle and make a center rectangle at this origin like this. Now we need to specify the length and width. Width is only 1 millimeter and the length is 10 millimeter. After that we need the circle. So rather than creating circle, select this face and convert entities. Now select your trim entity, select your power trim and trim internal area of this circle. Everything within this circle only will get trimmed, and this outer sketch will be remaining, which will get extruded. So in features we need to select here extruded boss base, and the length of extrusion is 18 millimeters. So define here 18, and since we need this extrusion in other direction, so you can reverse it from here, and as you can see this extrusion will be available now. Before final revolve cut, I am applying some fillets. So 1 mm fillet will be applied to these edges. These are basically 4 edges, 2, and on the other side 3 and 4. We are left with a final revolved cut for the point of the drill bit, so I will create after applying the fillets. And now we need to create fillets of 2 millimeter radius on these edges. These are also 4 edges, and here define the radius as 2 millimeter for these fillets. And after that check this box from here. Now we are only left with one revolve cut. For that, here select top plane and click on sketch. This is top plane which basically cut this part in half. Now create a sketch on it. Here select line, and from this edge make a straight vertical line and create a sketch like this, and final line is going to be inclined. Now for reference, select here center line, and from this point to this point make a line. Now hold Control key from your keyboard, select this point and make relation coincident. I have done this so that our revolved cut should be uniform, and here specify the height of this line as 2 millimeter, and select these two lines, and here specify the angle between them as 30. This is basically the degree of the drill bit. You can specify any degree you like. I'm specifying as 30. Now in features select revolved cut, and in this very window we need to select this vertical line, and the cut will be made about this vertical line. Check this box, and here is our final cut. So now let me change the appearance. This is an optional step of changing the appearance. So that's how we create the drill bit in SOLIDWORKS. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel.